It is freezing outside right now. It is snowing. Look at this. Look at this. It is that Christmas Eve thing, and it is freezing outside. There's snow coming. Oh, yeah.
Well, everybody, I'm in the spur. I'm trying to head home. It's bumper to bumper. Back at the beginning of the spur, I didn't have a chance to hit record, but there was a tree laying across the road, knocked it down to one lane. So I'm wondering if maybe the same thing didn't happen up here. We'll get around this bend and find out. This was a surprise storm. It came out of nowhere. I don't even think the weatherman called for it today. I left the house, it was like 50 degrees and lightly raining. I left the grocery store and there's a freaking foot of snow on the ground, and yeah, ta-da, look at all the white stuff. So pretty. Get up here, all these people in these 4x4s flying around. That's okay, they can have at it.
I think I was just taking extreme caution.
No, I think there's something going on. And that's why everybody in that lane's flying up, and then we're stopping because they have to get over.
Like that red truck up there.
Yep. My guess is there's a tree or something across the road again. And if it's all the way across the road, we're going to be stuck sitting here until they decide to come clear the road. I've seen stuff like that before, not down here, but down in Hines Park back in Michigan. Oh, there is a tree on the road. That's what it looks like.
Maybe the screeching earlier was because it just freshly fell.
Record that. That's out in the road. Yeah, see all you people in that lane, you're flying up there. Go ahead. Dude, you gotta get over. Come on, man. Let's get up. Let's all get home safe. Most of the world believes in Christmas, so I'd like to let everybody get home to their families on this day. But make sure you get that. Look, it's on both sides of the road. That tree went all the way across the road.
Big tree. Just fell because everybody thinks it's such a good idea to, dig into the mountain and carve it up to their pretty McMansion liking. So let's deal with the consequences of all that. The trees fall down because they're no longer rooted in place.
There's another tree down over there. I would like to send a lovely shout out to my beautiful wife for holding the camera for me, because I broke my dash mount.
Mom and Dad.
On accident.
Moms and dads back home in said Michigan. We weren't expecting this or planning to do this crazy drive, so thank you.
And there must be another one up here.
Hooray!
Now watch, the same crap. We're going to get up here and everybody's going to have to get over again. We are at a dead stop here. Nobody's moving. There you go, sweetheart.
I recorded you. I recorded you.
Yeah.
And day in the life of snowy, dangerous, treacherous road driving. Brought to you by the Children's Adventures, guys.
Thank you.
On a side note, literally, It's pretty outside.
Very pretty. Look at this side. I'd love to be down by the river right now. I bet that's beautiful.
It's awesome.
Look, we're from Michigan. Something tells me one of these lanes are closed, and that's why we're at a dead stop. There's probably a tree laying across. Whoa, I'm seeing bright flashes.
Here, show them that side.
That's that side. I wish I was driving on that side of the road over there, because they're moving. Something tells me we got another tree in front of us.
Oh, it's just crazy traffic.
No. I'm seeing like lightning. And look beside us. At least if something goes wrong, we got the ambulance right next to us. He's going to Gatlinburg. I wonder if we get stuck if we'll just let it drive along. So I guarantee he's going right across the street from our house. One bright flash of that.
I'll get back to you guys in a moment when we
We'll
actually
get back to you
move.
when we start moving. Hello everybody, we're back. Finally got the road moving on along. People were afraid to go around people. So we were stuck in 35 minutes of unnecessary traffic, I guess you could say. I understand the concept of going slow and being careful. Ooh, look, a tree in the road. Look at this. See that? Could have also been stuck behind that, people. I don't know. That looks like it's been sitting here for a minute. Hey, babe. We can take Ski Mountain. Wonder who that ranger's going after. Or if he's shutting down all the roads. That's the bypass. You ain't taking that today.
And you're stuck on the mountain.
Huh?
And you're stuck on the mountain.
You ain't doing the bypass, that's for sure. I'm debating on whether I want to take Dudley Creek because of that big old hill. Or if I just bite the bullet and take the long way all the way around the loop, you know.
Park looks pretty.
Not bad. Gatlinburg welcomes you, everybody. Which way do you think, babe?
Probably the long way.
Think so?
Yeah, because you don't want to drive the other mountain road, so Dudley Creek's a mountain road. It'd probably be safest. I don't know. It's up to you.
They were taking.
I want to get home to our baby.
That's my thing. I ain't trying to risk anything stupid. Just so everybody out there knows I'm not scared, but I also am not stupid. Anyone that's ever been down Dudley Creek knows there's a big hill, and I lost traction going up a mild hill. I do drive a Buick that is not 4x4.
just walk up it?
Might have to. Somebody said that in a joke, but we're not gonna have to.
Who said I was joking?